This is going to be today's video review for Tuesday, February the 23rd, 2016 for Drummond Energy Bands. Please read our trading disclaimer. So we put this up to suggest that you question everything that we say and that everyone else says. Why? Because it creates questions. And with questions, we find answers. We're definitely trading as an individual, but we're up against the crowd, and learning how the crowd energy works is going to benefit the bottom line. In your trading, using an indicator or series of indicators to find a force multiplier of an edge is going to end up creating you on the edge of your chair in frustration and confusion. Learning how the market geometry of the crowd works and understanding, more importantly, how to take advantage of that and profit is what we're going to be talking about today in the webinar. So if you're not available at 4:15 Eastern today, you can click on the link below, register, and get the replay to watch later. But we're going to be going over how to read the market structure for free and showing you how to take advantage of it using our software in a very, very simple way. The same way that Charles Drummond created it back in the 60s when he hand charted using a ticker tape. This market is very, very simple to understand when you understand the 5 types of trading and how to determine when it's time to take action. If you want to learn something that's completely different out there today that you can have and use for the rest of your life in your trading career, send me an email to jb@drummondenergybands.com or register below on the link for the webinar. Thank you for your attention.